Here we got a 1937 Plymouth. Oh, I did this car before. I recognize it because it did the, I remember it had the wood running boards on it. Nice car though, very nice. You can see the windshield is rolled out for air. It wasn't like that last time we looked at it. What you need that today is, even though it's this unusually warm for Florida in the wintertime, it's February and it's amazingly warm. Oh yeah, I did this car because I was remarking this was a smart way to do it. With the wood interior, it looks really good, but that can cut your cost down a lot. Aftermarket seats will cut down your cost a lot too. But there's a lot of work involved no matter what you do. And it must have, wait a minute, this is a newer, later model steering column. And it's got a newer, later model drivetrain in there, yep. But it is a Plymouth. I wonder if that's a Mopar small block. I don't know. Freaking goddamn, can't tell. I don't know. It could be. Nah, it's not. It's a Chevy, and it's got the dipstick on the right side, which means it's probably 78 or pre-80. 1980 block. Here's your filler up with your locker, locking gas cap. You never know, some spiteful dipstick comes by and puts shit in your gas tank. I've had that happen before on my bike. That was a pain in the ass. Anyway.